Alright, I gotta know what this person did. What'd you do?
Potoo the Brigham, one of the greatest and most attractive artists of all time. He can draw at sound speed, animate in a flash, and best of all, he's brown colored and knows how to draw the females. Speaking of females, the Junk Planet universe might as well be classified as hot chick heaven, because there's such a mess of very beautiful and tough women that it'll make you love the webcomic even more.
Guys. It's on the server, don't you worry. Oh my gosh. Oh dear. All right, let's go. Oh.